Hello, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys, where we teach the little guy and girl how to utilize charts to manage their own trades and investments. What do I mean by the little guy and girl? Well, we just had two directives signed halting the implementation of a rule that requires financial advisors to act in the best interests of their client. Let that sink in a little bit. The big wigs on Wall Street can play with your retirement and hard-earned money without your best interests at heart. We currently have hundreds of members taking charge of their financial future, and we would love for you to come check out a free week with no credit card required to see if our services would be beneficial on your path to financial independence as well. What we offer, we have a separate course of over 5 hours in length on when to enter and exit positions. And in terms of what we do daily, we have nightly videos, key levels updated each morning before the bell, 2.5 hours of live daily webcam coverage in the morning and in the afternoon, and over 7 hours of educational videos. All of these links can be found in the description of this video. Come check us out. Thanks for watching. Let's get on to the technical analysis. Checking in on oil on the hourly time frame. So the bulls could not hold the $54 support level on the first test, and we came back down and we filled the gap from the contract rollover. And we can see the bulls are trying to see a bounce play out here, nice big green candlestick. And you say, oh, well, he put that support line in there. And the answer is no, I did not. That was already there, and this is why I love technical analysis and charts. Let's zoom out, and if you've been watching these videos, this should be a familiar level once we see this channel. Remember this top? 53.47. We had a very clear channel with 52.75 as support. 53.47 rejected the price 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times before it finally became support. And look now where we bounced off of. No candlestick closing below that level. Bulls holding it. 5 hourly candlesticks here, and then seeing follow through to the upside. So a perfect example of previous resistance acting as support, and another reason why I leave relevant lines of support and resistance on my chart. I didn't put this line here. It was already there, and just watched the price react to that level and hold it. So resistance from here, I'm looking at this little bounce attempt. We had a little high here at 54.13. Going to put that resistance level up there, and we know $54 is a key level, so we'll be watching how the price reacts to that as well. Hourly bullish MACD cross, 4-hour chart bullish reversal candlestick trying to be confirmed. And we're still maintaining a higher low pattern. I can draw an uptrend support line here on that 4-hour chart to be looking at where we've got our higher low pattern established and holding, making sure no candlesticks are closing below that uptrend line, and we'll be looking for that to hold, and then I'll go and look on the hourly time frame to see what that level looks at, and look at it lining up right with that horizontal previous resistance line, now support. The uptrend line is also right there as well. So if I had done that before this level were hit, it would give extra confidence to the bulls at that support, as we were oversold on the hourly. The RSI was under 30, and we had two different support lines lining up at that level. So going to see if the bulls can regain $54 support. The daily time frame sees that consolidation after the big upper wick of profit taking. The gap has filled, and the bulls bought the dip. There's a pretty significant lower wick on that candlestick. So the bulls' goal, we do have the inventory report tomorrow to keep in mind, but the goal for the bulls, close above $54 on the weekly time frame after many weeks have rejected from this level. We are currently 15 cents shy, and we have 2 more trading days to go. USO, so we have that gap down open, and the bounce that's playing out right now on that hourly that I just showed was not factored into this candlestick because the close had already occurred. But we're right back down into our channel where we have support of 1127, 1131, 1132, and all those resistances in the low 1160s. So giving back some ground that the bulls gained yesterday. And the question is going to be, can we recover over the next 2 days? The bulls really want a bullish reaction to this inventory report. So we have that $54 psychological level as support. And the bulls want to see this weekly close up in the 1160s to be looking for continuation to the upside from here. So that's what we're looking at heading into tomorrow. Big day for that inventory report. And just to be clear again, what we're watching on the shorter term hourly time frames, it's 53.47 support, where we just formed that low, and resistance is going to be 54 and 54.13. So we'll check back in tomorrow after that inventory report. I appreciate you watching. See you then.